Hello friends, this is video 7, how to have money, abundance and also prosperity in abundance. So there are 11 videos. I am Nahid, I am the energy consciousness coach. I had talked to you earlier about many of the ways how to have money and prosperity in our life. This video is about the art of gratitude, or the power of gratitude, or the attitude of gratitude. So, like when I got present to this power of gratitude, I was able to see things with a very new way, a new viewpoint. जैसे मेरा लगा हुआ चश्मा किसी ने उतार दिया हो इस तरह से, या मैंने नए पावर का चश्मा पहना हो इस तरह से. So what I saw that this corona times I have to worry very less, because somebody like my better half was standing like a strong pillar professionally, financially, for my personal take care, the family's personal take care. And he was that strong enough to provide me security in this insecurity time for any of the problems or challenges I would have really gone through. So I have gratitude for my better half being with me as a power. Then I saw as a gratitude that I had all my people around me, my staff, who were so passionate to deliver without even expecting anything in return. So this was like just being so cold-heartedly available to contribute to people. This was like a gratitude I felt for them. I also saw some new people like Meghna ma'am coming in, handling the whole scenario, which was upside down for a while, like very intelligently and creatively, as I said. So I had gratitude for that. ऐसे ही हम अपने चारों तरफ gratitude देखेंगे कि हमें अभी किन किन चीज़ों में हमारी फैमिली हमारे साथ है. All everything around us is at peace when we say कि सब healthy हैं. सबसे बड़ी प्रायोरिटी अभी ये है. अगर ये है तो सबसे ज़्यादा वेल्थ हमारे पास इसी की आप मानिए है. So when I went in this gratitude frame, तो हमेशा बहुत fulfillment थी. जो restlessness थी, जो worriness थी, worrisomeness, जो थोड़ा stress था, tension था, that really vanished. I should say, this is no joke. On serious note, वो गायब हो गया जो रोज सवेरे आता था. And what I saw with this gratitude, magic happened. In my professional domain, I am submitting some projects, financial projects that was like a dream come true. कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि हम ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट भी सबमिट करेंगे, टीम बनाएंगे, 100 women के रोजगार का एक पोर्टफोलियो बना के सबमिट करेंगे to the भारत सरकार. This was like submission only is great, and now waiting for the approval for us to be in action. I'm excited for it. Then this gratitude had a magic in my life कि मेरा जो अभी मैं जिस टीम को हेड कर रही हूँ, Smart Natives International as a venture got selected by the government of Germany, funding me, Smart Natives, कि हम बिजनेस को किस तरीके से और अच्छा एक्सपैंड करें, अच्छा करें. And her and now organization adopting me and Smart Natives, and the Startup Voices, such a legendary, the enterprising and entrepreneurship platform, heading this. And this was like really amazing and miracle. और इस तरीके से बहुत सारे magical experiences being in life. So gratitude is the charby, is the key. When you, और मैंने आपसे बात भी किया how to make a gratitude gratitude journal. In the last lesson of conscious parenting training, मैंने ये देखा बताया कि gratitude journal कैसे बनाना है, worry diary कैसे बनाना है. So please, this would be an opportunity for all of us to practice gratitude, to make a gratitude journal, to make a worry diary, and let everything go as a like the worry stress in the universe, and something coming back to us is in the form of finances, money, which we are able to observe. Thank you.